Hello, Mosh here. Welcome to this video, and I'm very excited to have you here because in this video today I will share a website that pays around 2 million people every single month just for using them without any technical knowledge, without experience, without any website, without literally anything. All you need to do as a user is to sign up and start using and start making money. But that's not the biggest and the most exciting part. The most exciting part will come at the later part of the video after I show you how to use this website, and I will make money in front of you live from a brand new account. So that part will help you make the biggest amount of money. And for that you need to do one more thing. My premium software, but 100% free for you. Link in the description will help you get there. Like us using YouTube, link in the description will give you my video creation software that will help you make videos without being in front of the camera, without writing script, without creating media files or video elements, without even giving voiceover, because the software will do everything for you and it will allow you to make videos in small chunks, and then one click of a button it will compile all the segments, turn into one video, and another click will publish it to YouTube and drive you traffic just like us. Easy peasy. And so stick to the end of the video because I will show you how you can make $1,000 a day to even $5,000 a day very easy if you follow my instructions, if you take my software and use this video completely. But if you just want to start making money from today, yes, you can just by using this website, but you have to watch this video. So keep on watching. And before we begin and show you step by step how to use this software, hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will know that you are the most important viewer to notify when we will upload our next video. So let's begin. So we are on Scarlet-Clicks.info, which is Scarlet Clicks, and on the top middle section you see total paid $2.62 million to total of 1.28 million members. At the very first section they clearly mention how you can make money. You can simply make money by clicking ads inside the platform. You can also make money by referring new members. And you can cash out to Skrill, Neteller, Payer, AirTM and Bitcoin account. The minimum to cash out is just $2. And by the way, not only Bitcoin, they also pay in other stable crypto coins. As I told you, there are two ways to make money here, but in case you want to advertise, you will get traffic from here. This traffic also want to make money online, so they are highly targeted traffic that also allow you to make money. Frequently asked question is the most important section on this website before you begin, because they tell you clearly how you make money from here. And they have multiple referral system, so you can make unlimited amount of money using different form of referrals. But in case you don't know how to refer, how the referral system works, don't worry about it. You still can make a lot of money just by clicking ads. Read every section of the FAQ clearly. This is what I highly emphasize on all the time, because you want to know clearly how you are going to get paid. You don't want to be in a situation where you put a lot of time on a website like this and you end up knowing that you're not going to get paid for some limitation in the policy. As mentioned in their website, they have no limitation. Anyone can make money, especially when it comes to crypto. Anyone from any part of the world can get paid using crypto. Now go to the top right corner, use the register button and use this form to register and create your new account. It's that easy. You really don't need any referral. There are no extra steps. Just register and make sure you confirm your registration through clicking your link in the email, and that's it, you're ready to go. Here is your dashboard. Here you know your stats, how much balance you have, how much money you earned. These graphs will show you detailed statistics. Now let's make some money by clicking ads. So I just clicked one ad. All I have to do is to wait till the ad loads, and the top of this page shows that it's free to go away. So this bar is loading. Make sure it loads completely. Once it loads completely, you will get another instruction. Now this instruction is to make sure that you are not a bot, you are a real human. So click the upside down picture, find it and click it. It's very simple, very easy to find. And thanks for watching. It's verified and you're going to get credited for this. Now let's go back to my account and you see I made some money. Little balance, yeah, it's little money, but you know it's money. Who pays for watching ads? Apparently they do. Now you can go on, and instead of wasting your time on social media, TikTok videos or other funny cat videos, just go ahead, watch a few ads and make money. If you are motivated, you can spend some time and make real money from all the systems they have in your dashboard. Now here is the biggest way to make money in this system from this website, and this system gives you unlimited opportunity to make unlimited amount of money, but you need only one thing. I will show you what it is, and I will help you with my software, premium software, 100% free, link in the description. That software will solve all the problems. So stick to the end of the video to get the full benefit. So the biggest way to make money is referral. So for referral, you need to go to promotional tools, and this is your referral link. This is my referral link. Your referral link will be here. Now, if you go to the referral contest, you will see this is the leaderboard. Okay, the top position of the contest, okay, will get 25 cents per referral. 25 cents per referral, which means 4 referral will get you $1. Amazing. Look, people love to join these kind of websites because they're so easy to make money. And once they join using your link, just for 4 people join, you make $1. For 400 people, you make $100, and it's so easy. Now, I'll come back to that, how you get people to join from using your link, but let's show you more. These are the contest rules. You should go through the rules. The rules may change. This amount may change, but this system, referral system, won't change. They will always make money using referral because this website gets most of their traffic from referrals. You see here, they have around 2 million monthly visitors, but 57% traffic come from referrals. Because all these referrals are making money, they continuously send traffic. Now don't worry if you don't have traffic, because my software, link in the description, will solve the traffic problem forever. And in a moment I will share how to get traffic 100% free. Literally thousands and thousands of traffic you can get 100% free. And this is by far the easiest way to make money because you don't have to sell anything. You don't need any skill. All you need is to share your referral link, and people will happily join because they make money just for viewing ads, doing easy stuff. So now we know how to use this platform. But in order to make the biggest amount of money, I mean literally unlimited amount of money, whatever money you want to make, and you can use this technology and this system in your other part of the business, and you can scale up to anywhere you want, to $1,000 a day, to $5,000 a day, or any number you want. Literally every biggest company use the same easy, simple technology. And let me show you how. When you are on this website, what do you see first? The first thing you see is the offer, what they are offering their users, their advertisers. And then the only thing they want from you as a user or advertiser or whatever you call it, they want you to register. So they want you to fill this form and register. So why would they want that? Because they want to be able to connect with you, communicate with you using mainly email, because connecting through email is by far the easiest way to make money. Money comes from relationship. Emails are the easiest way to build solid relationship and money automatically follows. If you really want to make money, you should use website and you should inject one thing in your website, and that is an opt-in form. Now I know building an opt-in form is painful, building a lead magnet, something to give away, is painful, writing emails is painful, and that is why my software will solve all the problem. It turns any PDF report into your opt-in page, into your lead magnet, and it automatically drives referral traffic for you. Link in the description. This software is free. Go get it and use it. So never miss using an opt-in form, giveaway stuff, write emails to your subscribers, help them build relationship, and once you have relationship, you can use this relationship to sell anything you want. Especially in this technology, all you need to do is to send clicks. And all you need to do is to ask your subscribers to join free. Once they join, you make money for referral. Now here comes the referral. You might be thinking, oh my God, what is referral? Does referral really work? Look at this website. They have 1.8 million monthly visitors, right? And look at this, 57% of the traffic come from referral. These are the referring websites. Amazing, right? Now look at this website. Let's click on this website, and this is, just take this one and go to SimilarWeb again. Let's check their analytics. And even this referring website has, the first referring website has 1.42 million monthly visitors. Go back down below and check their traffic sources. They have two traffic sources. One is direct traffic, who already know them, and the second one is referral traffic, the biggest source of traffic. So referral works as long as referrers get benefits from referring. So my software will help you with that. You will get referral traffic. Go use it and get traffic. Now, how about initial traffic? You may say that I absolutely have no traffic at all. I am a complete beginner. I need traffic. And there is a solution for that. And link in the description will give you my software to drive traffic from this particular source. And the source is Pinterest.com that has almost 1 billion visitors per month. All these visitors go around Pinterest only to watch images and click on images, and once they click on images, they go and visit websites. And literally lots of websites depend on Pinterest traffic. So let me give you a quick example. This image, what do you see? It's an image. Can you make it? Absolutely. Use Canva, use any software, free software. There are hundreds of templates like this. Literally anyone can make it. Even you can make it using Google Drawing, Google Doc, Google Slides. So easy. It's just text and one girl lying with a computer. That's it, right? Now once you click on this link, you will visit this website. This is the website. Well, it's a website, right? Don't worry about the content. Content is not everything. I'm talking about the technology of Pinterest. Pinterest gives you traffic from images. That's it. And once you click on this image, you visit there. Now you want proof that whether this website really gets traffic from Pinterest or not. So this is the traffic analytics of this website on SimilarWeb.com, and they have 54,000 monthly visitors. You like 54,000 monthly visitors? I tell you what, 54,000 traffic, 54,000 visitors can make you $54,000 minimum if done right. Okay, so let's go down. It's tier 1, all the US traffic, and 50% of the traffic is social traffic. Click on the social section. They have 100% traffic, their social traffic from Pinterest. So the system works. Link in the description will give you my Pinterest software that will help you get Pinterest traffic 100% free.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click Submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
In case you like to know how much traffic we get from YouTube, we are just scratching the surface. We have just started and we have got 13,000 views in last 28 days. In my opinion, super awesome. I'm very happy that our contents are helping our subscribers, our viewers, and they're coming back over and over to watch our videos again and even referring our videos to others. And that is why out of 13,000 views, we have unique 7.4 thousand views. And YouTube is also loving our content, so they're pushing our content to more and more viewers. Thank you very much, and please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. This is the only way you support our channel, and also feel free to use our softwares, get all the benefits. Watch our other videos, link in the description, and we will see you in the next video.